Are birds of paradises classified as herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores? Yes, they are omnivores and eat plants and animals like insects, fruit, seeds, and berries. Interestingly, these birds also act as seed distributors to their habitat. Do you know, where do birds of paradise live? In fact, they live in Australasia, regions of eastern Indonesia, Torres Strait Islands, Papua New Guinea, and eastern Australia. Find more facts about birds of paradise. Watch now. Don't forget to subscribe Animal World GeoFlix channel. Thank you.